In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use a referral code on Uber Eats. So Uber Eats doesn't actually send referral codes, but instead what they do is they give you referral links. So I'll just show you here. It looks a little something like this. So it's going to say Uber Eats and it's going to show you promo code Eats, and this is going to be the link itself. So what you have to do once you receive this link, you will click on the link itself and this is going to take you back to your Uber app. Now here you will make an order. So you just want to make a sample order here. I'll just create one. And once you create your order and view your cart, then here if you go to checkout, you will see that you will see that this person's promo code will automatically be applied to your order. If it's not automatically applied, then what you can do is go to add promo code, and here you can enter your promo code. But usually if you sign up through their link, then this is going to automatically apply the referral bonus, and they will receive the a promo that Uber Eats offers. So that's how you do it basically. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.